Hi guys, Jay here, the Geeky Dad from Make Money with Video, and I'm back with 5 new YouTube channels. Yeah, so these channels, they're ideas how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. Now these are different niches, and we're going to get right into it, guys. I'm going to put the screen on big because you don't have to look at my ugly face. And this is my channel. If you want to check it out, guys, I upload videos showing you different ways how to make money with video and with without showing your face, guys. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you a bonus channel, which is mine, that I'm sure, and I'll show you how much I'm making in that, guys. So let's get into it. Sorry guys, the first channel is called B1M, and it's an engineering niche. Yeah, and yeah, they've got a lot of subscribers, 1.58, and they're making between 1.6 and 26.3 a month, guys. Yeah, and anything to do with engineering, and they're talking about it, guys. They're making videos, showing clips, and yeah. So that's if you're interested in that niche, go for it, guys. That's the engineering niche. Next on the list, guys, is the food niche. This is a channel called Mashed. They've got 941,000 subscribers. They're making between 2.5 and 39.4 thousand a month. And if you look at their videos, guys, they're just making it's all about food, yeah? Anything you want to know about food, you come here. You're getting a lot of views. Look at these. So that's the food niche, guys. Next on the list is gaming. This is top 5 gaming, just 4.73 subscribers. They make it now. Look at this, guys. It says not making anything, but if you look at this, they're making between 158.3 thousand and 2.5 million a year, guys. A year. If you look at these, what they're making each day, between 135 to 2,000, 267 between 4,000, 286 to 5,000. See, 411 to 7,000. So they're making a lot of money, guys. Yeah, and they mainly talk about Fortnite, and they got some really cool like thumbnails what stand out and pop. Yeah, hey, I like that, guys. Superman on the thing, yeah, season 6. Might get my son to get him. But yeah, guys, if you're into gaming, this is just one channel you can do. Next on the list, guys, is geography. Now, this is called Wonder Why. They've got 700,000 subscribers. They're making between $30 and $30 and $485 a month, and they just talk about facts about the world and about different places. Yeah, if you're into all that kind of stuff, guys, it just shows that you can make money. The next on the list, guys, is the health niche. Very popular niche, and this is called Body Hub. It's an interesting channel, this, guys, because although all the channels don't show the face, I'm going to show you this, yeah? They've got 838,000 subscribers. They're making between 318 to 5.1 thousand a month, which is awesome. If you look at these videos, guys, they're all like stock like videos, stock like images in the background with just some text on the screen. And if you know some of my other videos, guys, I show you lots of these kind of videos what that you can make money, and I also share the app that you can get to make these, guys. And it's just so you know, this is my channel, yeah, and it's called Movies Games Beyond. And if you look, I do the exact same on some of my videos, yeah. And what I do, guys, I just whatever video I'm talking about, for instance, Friends, this program finds the keywords for you. So if I'm talking about Jennifer Aniston, it'll find an image of Jennifer Aniston, and I'll just click it and use it. Again, Will Smith, awesome ones. Just so you know, this is my channel. It's called Movies Games Beyond, and the Social Blade starts. It says, yeah, I've only got 9.3 thousand subscribers, which I'm very grateful for all. But if you look, I'm making between $140 a month to 2.2 thousand a month, guys. I can assure you it is more than that. Yeah, it's at least half of that. So if I can do it, guys, you can do it. And the the program, if you want to make these kind of videos where you got these health ones where it's stock images and that, yeah, I will leave a link in the description where you can get it. Just check it out, guys. Not 100% sure, but I think there is a little bit of a free free trial basically. So check it out if you want to go down that route. But like I said, this is just 5 different YouTube channel niches that you can choose to make money online without showing your face, guys. And there's something for everyone on YouTube, isn't there, guys? If there's anything you want me to look for, I will find it and I will check it out, see how much they're making and that, see if there's other channels. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up because it'll help the channel. This channel, what videos on, is not monetized, not yet. Making affiliate money, but not ad revenue. So I appreciate the views, I appreciate the subscriptions to anyone who is like following the channel. And thanks very much, guys. I'm J-Royce, the Geeky Dad. Until next time, goodbye.